Hello students, I am Amanpreet Kaur, Assistant Professor at Computer Science Department of Arya College, Ludhiana. Today I am going to discuss the topic of computer graphics, that is random scan display. Before discussing random scan display, actually it is a concept of computer graphics. I will discuss what is computer graphic? Computer graphic is an art of drawing pictures on computer screen with the help of programming. It allows computations, creation and manipulation of data. In other words, we can say that computer graphic is a tool for generation and manipulation of images. There are two ways by which we can display an object on the screen. First is the raster scan and second is the random scan. Earlier we have discussed the topic raster scan. Now in this video we are discussing random scan display. In the random scan, that is also called vector scan technique, the electron beam is directed only to the part of the screen where the picture is to be drawn, rather than scanning from left to right and top to bottom of whole screen as in raster scan. As this is the basic difference between raster scan and random scan. In raster scan, we traced all the area of screen horizontally and also we are having vertical retrace. But in case of vector scan, in this particular technique, in which the electron beam is directed only that part of the screen where picture is to be drawn. Here only that area is to be scanned where the picture is to be displayed, not the whole screen. So it is also called vector display, stroke writing display or calligraphic display. Here in a figure you can find this one where this particular line is going to get drawn. So accordingly the electron beam is moving on that particular area. If you want to draw any picture, then the beam will move only to that area of the screen where you want the picture is to be drawn. As you can see, drawing one triangle in this picture. So picture definition is stored as a set of line drawing commands in an area of a memory referred to as refresh display file. To display a specified picture, the system cycles through the set of commands in the display file, drawing each component line in turn. After all the line drawing commands are processed, the system cycles back to the first line command in the list. Here, so that image can be redrawn. Here we are having set of commands and all those commands will be executed by drawing those commands. Executing these commands mean we drawing the respective diagrams accordingly. Random scan displays are designed to draw all the component lines of a picture 30 to 60 times each second. In this way, we are having set of commands and those commands will be executed so that picture will be drawn once and then it will go on repeating execution of those commands and it will be done 30 to 60 times for each second. There are some advantages and disadvantages of random scan display. Advantages are CRT has electron beam directed only to the part of the screen where an image is to be drawn. Here only that part of the screen the beam will be moved where the picture is to be drawn, not the whole screen will be scanned as in case of raster scan. It produces smooth line drawing as you can see raster scan it is not possible. It gives high resolution picture. There are some disadvantages like random scan monitor cannot display realistic shade scene. That means it doesn't give the real images. There are some difference between random scan and raster scan display. In a random scan it gives high resolution picture but raster scan doesn't give. It is more expensive in case of random scan but raster scan is less expensive. In a random scan, any modification if needed is very easy but it is not possible in a raster scan. It is tough. Solid pattern is tough to fill in a random scan, means solid images cannot be drawn in random scan, but it is easy in a raster scan. Refresh rate depends upon a resolution in random scan, but refresh rate doesn't depend upon the picture in a raster scan. Only screen with view on an area is displayed in case of random scan. Whole screen can be scanned in a raster scan. Beam penetration technology comes under random scan and raster scan. There is a technology shadow masking in a raster scan. It does not use interlacing method, means it doesn't scan whole area but in a random scan, but in a raster scan it uses interlacing as it scans the whole area to display the picture on the screen. So in a random scan it is restricted to line drawing application only, but raster scan it is suitable for realistic display. So as here we have discussed random scan display. Thank you for watching my video. This is all about random scan and raster scan.